crooked?
Yeah.
Okay, the start of the waxing process.
Hot.
A little. Ready? And inhale for me. And exhale.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that's fucking impressive.
Isn't it? And we're inhaling. And exhale.
Oh yeah.
And exhale.
Oh.
You ready? And inhale. And exhale.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that's good. Oh, oh man. It's not the application that really hurts.
And inhale. Exhale.
Oh boy. This is really freaking impressive, I'll tell you.
And inhale for me. And exhale.
This Seahawks are typically, they start off a little bit weak and then get stronger as the season goes on, right? So they got a good chance.
Thank Morgan.
There you go. Is this the first time you've ever gotten wax?
Oh God, yeah.
Oh man.
It may be safe to say it's probably the last.
Let's say it's probably his first and only.
First, yeah.
And inhale.
Oh,
And exhale. See? And inhale for me. And exhale.
Get through it.
And inhale for me. And exhale. Oh, look at that. Good job, Pat. It's good stinking. Angled like that.
Mm-hmm. Give a little angry touch to it.
You know what I should have done is put like a little 49 hanging out the mouth.
40 whiner.
Right?
Oh, great. So you get in the picture with him, Robin. You too, Morgan. Where'd
Come on.
Morgan go? There we go. There are your girls.